In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record manual journals in Zoho Books. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to the Zoho Books website, open your preferred web browser and go to the Zoho Books website. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button, which should be prominently displayed on the home page. Click on it and it will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Zoho Books homepage, the central hub for all your accounting tasks. From here, we'll focus on recording manual journals. To do this, locate the Accountant section, which is usually found in the main menu on the dashboard. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down list of accounting options. Among these options, you'll see Manual Journals. Select it to proceed. Once you're in the Manual Journals section, you need to initiate a new entry. Look for the New Journal button, typically located at the top or side of your screen. Clicking this will begin the process of creating a new journal entry. Now let's dive into the details of setting up your journal entry. You will need to input the date of the journal entry. The date field allows you to specify when the financial transaction occurred. Be sure to enter the correct date to maintain accurate records. Next, you'll encounter the reference number field. This is optional but highly beneficial for maintaining organized and traceable records, especially if you have numerous journal entries. Assign a unique reference number that resonates with your filing system. Moving on, you'll need to fill in the Accounts section. Here, you'll enter the accounts impacted by this journal entry. Begin with the debit account, specify the amount, and then do the same for the credit account, ensuring the total debits equal the total credits. This balance is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Below the Accounts section, you'll find a space for details or descriptions. Use this area to provide a brief description of the transaction. This note will help clarify the purpose of the journal entry when reviewing records in the future. Finally, review all the information you've entered for accuracy. Double check the amounts, the accounts involved, and the spelling of any descriptions or references. Once you are satisfied, look for the Save or Submit button, usually found at the bottom of the page. Clicking this will officially record your journal entry in Zoho Books. And that's it. You've now successfully recorded a manual journal in Zoho Books. Remember that keeping track of these entries accurately is foundational for effective financial management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your accounting needs.